to join my channel. You can join. Hello from Korea. I invite you to join my channel. Tell you where tummy belt. Tummy belt? Yes. The tummy belt which is makes sweet my tummy. It's I lose spots. Well, this one. This one. My tummy. I put this when I go check your beep. Yep. This one. I use this. That makes my tummy not so big now because I'm get with this when I wear this inside my tummy. So when I eat not much rice, I eat a lot of veggies. Oh, oh, let me check my BP in my. There's my monitor, my BP here. Here, I buy this watch for my pressure monitor. No, it's not good to show here. Thank you, thank you. Oh, this is it. Tomorrow I go again jog and walk. Maybe I cut a little bit my hair because it's too long. How do I look with my hair? It's very. You want to be my your wife? I even know you. I even don't know you yet. Like it. You losing weight? Yes, I lose weight. With my face, I lose weight because I discipline on, and I always go for walking, jog, eat. I don't take snacks. I skip snacks. I only regular meals twice a day in the lunch and dinner. No breakfast. Surely I want to marry. Surely. Really? No, summer ends last this month in June in the second week. You not fat but your face shoes. Hmm? What happened to my face? Shoes what? Fat? I'm a Christian. I'm not a Muslim. I'm Christian. You wear black color nice. Yep, black. I have my videos. I'm wearing black. Mami, kinakamusta ka ni... Ano ba yan? Huwag ka mag-comment na nga. Which is your... No shoes. You're losing weight. Hmm? I don't know. Just maybe, I don't know. But my weight is 62. Last time I weighed 70. Want to be my future wife? Really? You don't know me yet. Someday, I wanna know. Yeah, we're so very far. So open, no open here. Open here. I can't.